we are going to discuss another problem which was already asked IIT JEE 2013. It's a very simple problem. Only small basic concepts. With that basic concepts you can clearly understand the problem. Followed by I will give the small shortcut also. You know already, each and every video I am giving small shortcut. This video also I am going to give a small shortcut. First I will read the problem. A ball magnet of length L. Let us consider a ball magnet. A ball magnet is a north pole, is a south pole of length L. Ball magnet of length L. Dipole magnetic moment. That is a dipole magnetic moment. Dipole magnetic moment. What is dipole magnetic moment? What is dipole magnetic moment? Shall we discuss dipole magnetic moment? Shall we discuss? After that we will follow this one. Shall we discuss dipole magnetic moment? Yes. Dipole magnetic moment is nothing but, that is capital M here represented, that's a dipole magnetic moment, is nothing but small m into L. What is L? L is the length of the magnet. The distance between the north pole and south pole is the length of the magnet. That is L is length of the magnet. What is M? This M is the pole strength. Pole strength. Pole strength. The pole strength here is M. Here also M. If the magnet is uniform, the pole strength is constant. How the magnetic lines of forces are concentrated, how the magnetic field is concentrated is a pole strength. The pole strength of this one, this one. The magnetic dipole moment, capital M. If it is a ball magnet, if it is a ball magnet. Now our case is, this particular ball magnet is bent like this. This is the north pole, this is south pole. In our problem, they provided the magnet which is bent in shape like this one, not like this. This is bent like this. This is bent like this. Is bent in the form of arc, actually in the diagram. What is the new magnetic moment? If the magnetic moment is capital M, if we consider a ball magnet, if we consider a ball magnet, the magnetic moment is capital M. If we consider this same magnet bent, makes an angle 60 degree, then it is not capital M, this is capital M dash. That means magnetic moment is not a constant one. This will change. Since we converted this magnet as a arc, These are very simple questions. 4 options are given. Capital M, 3 by pi, capital M, 2 by pi, capital M, M by 2. There are 3 options that are given in this problem. How do we solve this particular problem? For example, there is an elementary mathematics. If you consider the circle of radius capital R, small r, let it be small r, it makes an angle theta, let it be L, then if this theta is small, let us consider this is a right angle triangle, then sin theta is equal to L by R, opposite side by hypotenuse. So sin theta value. If theta is small, sin theta can be written as theta is equal to what? L by R. Then L is equal to what? R theta. This concept is applied here. What's our case? This magnet is bent like this. This is the arc of a circle. This is the arc of a circle. Arc of a circle. If we consider, let us consider this one. This is nothing but this is a circle. This is a circle of radius smaller. Here, let us consider this. Let it be. This is R. This is L. Here, this is a right angle triangle. Consider this small section. This is an arc of a whole circle. We are considering this angle theta according to this basic concept. L is equal to R theta. Here what? That is L is equal to R instead of theta. That is theta. We must write in terms of pi. In terms of pi. Pi is 180. What is pi? Pi is 180. Then theta is equal to what? 60 means that is 180 divided by 3. That is pi by 3. Pi by 3. Since we have to put like this, 2 by pi, 3 by pi, in terms of pi, we are they provided that as options. For that you convert into this. 60 degrees is nothing but pi by 3. Then R into pi by 3. R into pi by 3. Then what's the value for? What's the value for? That is R is equal to what? L 3 divided by pi. You know this value. You know the value. That is R is equal to what? L into 3 by pi. What's actually magnetic moment means what? Magnetic moment is what? You know the formula? Magnetic moment, capital M dash. We are considering this particular bar magnet which is bent like this. Then it is M dash. M dash is nothing but what? Pole strength M. Pole strength M. Instead of L, just you write that's R value. Let it be that, or let it be like this one. Let it be. Just you take this one. That is. Let it be as it is. Oh, yes. Let it be R, this value. Just you put it R here. Instead of L, that's R. That's R is what? R is the distance between two poles. What is length of the magnet? Length of the magnet is nothing but a distance between two poles. This is a north pole, south pole. If you bend like this, the distance between the north pole and south pole is the shortest distance. This is R. We must consider this particular R only for our calculation. Then instead of L, just you write down here what you have to write. That is what is L 3 divided by pi. L 3 divided by pi. What is ML? Capital M. Capital M 3 divided by pi. Capital M 3 divided by pi. Okay. Actually, this is a new magnetic moment when the bar magnet bent like this. Bent like this. Which option is correct? The second option is correct. The second option is correct. So very simple problem, but so many basic concepts are used here. The first concept this one, second concept this one, this and that, all those things are combined together. You can get your magnetic moment of a new magnet. That is a new, that's a bent magnet. Magnet which is bent like this. Okay. After that you will change the angle. For example, if we change the angle, what will happen? Instead of 60 degree, let it be 45 degree, then 30 degree. You just change the angle. You can get your value, different values. We'll discuss and form a small shortcut method also for that one to do in a better manner in a short way. Okay, we follow this shortcut method. Yes, this is the problem we discussed in today's session. That's in 2013 this question was asked, but the angle given here is 60 degree. If we change that angle, instead of 60, 45. 45 is what? 45 is what? Pi by 4. 60 pi by 3. Pi by 4. Then 36 pi by 5. 30 pi by 6. That is 190 by 6. 190 by 5. 190 by 4. 190 by 3. 60. That means that the angle of bending changed. The previously asked question like this. If the question is changed like this, the same question, but the angle is 45. Angle is 45. 45 means what? Here, pi by 4. That's a pi by 4. That's a pi by 4. Then 3 by 5. Then pi by 4 here. 4 by 5 here. 4 by 5 here. 4m divided by 5. So very short. The same manner, for example, 36 degree. 36 degree means 180 by 5. That is pi by 5. The angle is what? Pi by 5. Then L into 5 by 5. Then L into pi by 5 by 5. Then m into 5 by 5. That is m into 5 by 5. 5 into m by 5. This if it is angle 36. If that angle is 30 degree, pi by 6, just to put a pi by 6, that's a 3 by 5, that is 6 by 5, here 6 by 5, here 6 m by 5. Here, just to see this particular flow, if we change the angle 30, 36, 45, 60, m by pi is a constant. Understand? M by pi, m by pi, m by pi, m by pi is a constant. By changing the angle. The times, this is 6 times. This is 6, 5, 4, 3. Just remember that alone. 6, 5, 4, 3. Just you have to remember that alone. Then this is shortcut way. Interesting shortcut. For example, 60 means 3. 45, 4. Just remember. 36, 5. 36 times m by 5. M by 5. The bending angle can be changed with respect to this ratio. So very interesting shortcut, you know. Very interesting shortcut. That is m by pi is a constant. Just to change. For example, if it is the case 50 or 55, the angle of bending is instead of 60, 55. Let it be 55. How do you find it? In a fraction of seconds. It's very easy, no? It's very easy. That means what? 55 means between 45 and 60. That means what? The answer must be between 4 and 3. Between 4 and 3. For example, if it is a 33, the answer must be between 6 and 5. 6 and 5. In that manner, just you guess, get your answer in a short intervals of time to get a more score. It's a very interesting shortcut. Just do it in your home. You can get your answer clearly. Everyone understand? Okay, this is an interesting problem. Basic problem. It's a very basic concept was asked here. This 2013. This video is this video 49th video. Just to go through all the videos. Each and every video has its own uniqueness, specific characteristics. That also I am giving more shortcut also. Easily you can do that particular problem. Shortcut also. Go through all those things. In the forthcoming sessions, I will introduce more videos with the shortcuts. Then you don't think just you subscribe this particular channel. No? This Sri Sai Creations, SEKO Classes, just to subscribe it. Comment your thoughts and provoking, interesting thoughts related to physics in the comment box. I will answer. I will put my number also, WhatsApp number. Just make in contact with me. We can develop ourselves. We can form a physics forum. Just to do better. Involvement makes you important. This is a core concept. That is the thing. This is the motto of this particular video. Involvement makes you important. Just we need the involvement of you. Just you think problem. It's not a problem. It's a very interesting one. All the best. Do more problems. Get through your entrance examinations. All the best. Thanks a lot. Thanks.